Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. All right, so today we are trying a V-part wig that I saw on TikTok. Yes, I was influenced. Oh, yeah. This girl, actually it was a couple girls, they tried on a V-part wig. The brand is Mamusho, something like that. But anyway, they tried the wig on. It's a V-part wig and it looked really pretty. And I saw it about probably like 10 times and I was like, you know what? I might as well order it. So I didn't get mine off TikTok. I got mine off Amazon just because I know Amazon does returns. And I'm like, okay, if this is not giving what I saw on, TikTok, then it's going back to Amazon. The only thing is the girls, like when they showed the bag, when they did their video, it said the name of the brand on here. Mine don't say the name of the brand at all. I'm like, ooh, did I get the off brand? I don't know. So I have a U-part wig already. So I've tried these before, but I have not tried on this one. I did open it and I did brush it, but my hair has not been in braids. So I'm about to probably just put it in 2 ponytails and I'm gonna try it on. And we're gonna see how it looks. I really hope it looks cute. Slightly off topic, something else that I was looking for, I literally treat that app like it's Google. But anyway, someone else, I was looking for something to like get rid of the bags up under my eyes. So I came across somebody that used this and it doesn't work. Now, mind you, I have not used all of them. I think it's like 60 in here. You're supposed to put them on in the morning and then at night, but so far they haven't worked. So yeah, there's that. Maybe they work for some other people. So this also came in the bag. I guess it's a wig cap and then some lashes. So I really hope this is cute. My U-part wig that I have, I think it's like 22 inches. So this one is supposed to be a lot longer. So like I said, I did take it out the bag and I did brush it and then I just put it right back in the bag because my hair wasn't in braids. So this is what it looks like. And it has a lot of combs in here. And then it also has a drawstring. So one thing I did notice in the comments of a lot of videos was girls saying that they ordered this, but their head was either too small or the wig was too big. So the one that I have already is a completely different brand, but it fits my head pretty fine. Maybe because my hair is thick, I don't know. But yeah, this is just pretty much the wig, or the inside of it. I do love this. I love this a lot, actually. All right. Normally I would have my mom braid my hair, but she's not here right now to braid my hair. So let's see. And it is a V-part. So I'm gonna just, I think, hold on, let me look at this. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Okay, so it's just like a small V. The key to these though, to make them blend, and hopefully we're gonna see. But I noticed the key to make these blend is to not have too much leave out, like for your, for the hair. I guess that's enough. Oh my God, I have not worn a U-part, V-part wig in a minute. Actually, I've never had a V-part. I have a U-part, but I haven't worn it in like over a year. Because normally I only wear these when it's winter, just because my hair frizzes up really easy. My hair is natural. So, and it's winter right now, but I know it's gonna get warm pretty soon. So, yeah, something like this. I don't want to have to take it back, but like I said, if it's not giving what it needs to give, it's going right back. Matter of fact, I'm taking it back today, okay? I really want to just put it in a bun like this, but I know that bun is going to stick out, so. Actually, let me just stop being lazy and braid my hair. So yeah, if you don't know how to cornrow your hair, I would just straighten it and then braid it. Because honestly, if I would have just left my hair blow dried, the braids would have been like even bigger. And I'm like, nah, I need this to lay. I need this to really lay for this wig. All right, not gonna lie, I kind of got lazy and I just twisted this last piece. But yeah, I just did a few braids, didn't even really part because you're not gonna see this here, so it's fine. I'm about to just put it in a ponytail and then I'm gonna try to lay it as flat as I can. I don't know how this looks. I feel like it looks a hot mess, but it's fine because you're not gonna see the hot mess in the back once I put it on. And then this was also $140. Now, I'm not sure if I can take it back if I cut this part right here. Like I don't know. They at least should give me a credit though, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do a little test to see. Oh, I really need braids. This works a lot better with braids. If you don't have braids in or cornrows, it just makes it very messy. So far, oh God, I hope my head's not too big. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Wait a minute. We're gonna try this again. People always say that these are always too big. Maybe I just have a big head. I don't think I do though. I think my head's pretty normal size. Okay, so far it feels pretty snug. But I also have not cut that part at the front either though. Hold on. I think I'm gonna cut it. I don't know if it's gonna be, I don't know. The thing is, I don't even want to take it back. Okay, so far, I don't have it, there we go. I don't have it blended or I haven't like re-straightened my hair or anything. But so far, I feel like once I straighten it and stuff, the color will be okay. My hair is clearly like puffy still. Okay. I think I'm gonna cut it. Let me go get my scissors. Ah. Oh my gosh, wow. Basically, you just put it in there and then you snap it. It's just a little difficult because I didn't really braid my hair. My hair's not in cornrows for real. Okay, so now that I cut it, it's actually not as tight as I thought it was gonna be. So I am gonna use the drawstring in the back. Okay, so I do like the drawstring. Yes, finally got it on. I do feel a little hump right here, but that's just because I didn't braid my hair for real and I just kind of put a ponytail and then I tucked it under. So that's that. I'm gonna cornrow. I'm gonna ask my mom to cornrow my hair so I can really like see for real. But is it giving in the back? I don't know. We're gonna see. Okay, now I'm going to straighten that part, this front part. So normally when I straighten my hair, if I need it really, really straight, I use a hair wax stick. So I have this one and then also this one right here. So I feel like they're both the same. I think I'm gonna use this one. I think this one looks better. I don't know. They're probably all the same for real. Now that I'm playing around with it, I wonder if I could do like a half up, half down ponytail with it. I think I'm gonna come back another day and try. Ooh, I don't know. I still have to straighten my hair. I haven't straightened my hair yet. I'm waiting on the flat iron to get hot, but yeah. I may try today. I don't know. I'm kind of short on time. The only reason why I don't think I'm going to straighten it like really, really straight today is because I do have this lump in the back and I'm like, if I straighten it, I'm not sure if you can see it or not. But I still am going to straighten like part of this hair and then maybe curl it if I have time. I'm low-key rushing. Okay, we're going to come back and see about that. So the one reason why I did get the V part is because I saw some other people, you could move it over and like have your part on one side and then the same on the other side, so then you don't have to keep straightening like one piece of your hair pretty much. So, but yeah, I like V part and U part wigs just because I can take them off at the end of the day, at the end of the night, and I can change my hair up as much as I want. Like I've never had a true like sew-in like this just because I don't know, I don't like keeping hairstyles longer than like, unless it's braids, longer than like a week, to be honest. Like I probably wear this for like a few days and then like change my hair again. It's some days where I'm like, oh, I wish I lived where it was cold so that way I can like wear my hair straight like more often. But then I'm like, do I really like the cold? Because I'm like, I live in Georgia and I'm like, I know in about a few weeks it's gonna be warm and then all the wigs are getting put up. But honestly, I don't really wear wigs that often, just V part and U part wigs. Oh, and a headband wig. Oh my gosh, I love my headband wig. That's like my gym go-to wig right there. And honestly, wearing my headband wig and wearing just braids, like cornrow braids, that has made my hair grow. Definitely the headband wig for sure, because I don't touch my hair at all. Just in braids for like weeks. That's definitely made my hair grow. Ooh. Is this really 26 inches though? Hold on. Now I'm 5'7" and I don't think I have a long torso. Is this really 26 inches? Okay, it stops. That's where it stops. I guess 30 inches would be like to my waist for real. Cause I mean, I guess it's 26 inches. I don't know. Maybe different brands have different like lengths and stuff. So in one of my most recent video of when I was in Panama, I said I wanted to live there. And I still do. Like, I would definitely for sure live there. However, because it's so hot and humid all the time, I'm like, dang, I feel like the only hairstyle I could wear would be braids. Like, when I say, as soon as I stepped out of the airport, humid. And I was there when it wasn't even, like, the hottest part of the year. So I'm like, dang, if it's hot now, I'm like, there's no way I would ever be able to, like, wear my hair straight or anything like this. Because I'm like, this, too hot. Definitely too hot in Panama. And then, like, here's the thing. If this is cute, I'm not done yet. I know it's not giving right now. It's not giving what I want to give. But if this looks right, I'm definitely going to wear it for Valentine's Day. So me and my friend, we're going out for Valentine's Day. Because I was like, girl, what's the point of sitting in the house? Well, that's what I was thinking in my head. I was like, no, I'm not about to sit in the house and not do nothing. Because I don't have a boyfriend or I'm not talking to nobody. So I was like, yeah, let's go out to eat or something. Because it was either go out to eat, hang out, or I was going to go to the gym. I wasn't going to just sit around and not do anything. Oh, I low-key think I left out too much hair. Low-key. Okay. Still not done, but it's cute. Yeah, definitely do this before putting the hair on. I don't know why. Like I said, I have not worn one of these in like over a year. I don't know why I put this on without straightening my real hair first. Like, you can still go over it once you have the hair on, but I feel like it's easier to straighten your real hair before having all this other hair in your way. One thing I've learned since just doing my hair, trying to make my edges really lay, is your edges will stay. Ooh, hot. If you straighten them and then put edge control on. I learned that maybe a year and a half ago or something like that. Like, I straightened my edges. Not saying to straighten your edges all the time, but like once I started, like, say I'm trying to lay my edges, I straighten my edges and then I put edge control on, stays. Unless it's really humid outside. But like in the wintertime, for the most part, definitely stays. But don't straighten your edges all the time, because in your edges, you're not gonna have no edges, okay? It's not where it need to be yet. I don't think I'm gonna straighten it for real, because I'm wishing. This is a lot of hair. Wow. I'm not even, because it's cute. Honestly, it's cute curly. So this is body wave. I feel like it's cute, you know, curly, not like, it could be cute curly and cute like straight too. If anyone really knows, I know I talked about this at the beginning, if anyone knows some other eye masks that work better for bags, let me know, because that one right there, I'm not feeling it. It hasn't been 30 days yet, but I'm not feeling it. Not bad. I'm about to do my edges. I feel like the blend is pretty okay. Like, normally when I get braids, I do 1B, so I feel like my hair is 1B, but I feel like the blend is pretty, like, I haven't done the other side, so ignore that, but my real hair is in there somewhere. Yeah. I think it's about the same color. Okay, actually, I kind of like it. Honestly, I like it not super, like, bone straight. I am gonna straighten it really good one day, though. She's coming together. I think I could have put the clip up a little bit more, like, closer to, because where's the clip? Well, it's right here. I feel like I could have put it further, because it's giving, yeah, I definitely could have. So this is where my two clips are. right here. I definitely feel like I could have put them a little further up, like around here. Not there, but a little bit, just a little bit like closer in, because they start like right here, which is giving you part. But maybe my head is not that big. I'm like, maybe my head's just big, but no, I definitely could have scooted them in a little bit more. That's fine, it's hot, y'all. But if you're someone that likes to change their hair, or they don't like to keep a sew-in in your hair like that long, I feel like this is definitely a good idea. Because one, it lasts, you can just do it every year, and then like you can take it off in like a week if you don't want to keep it. Have you ever straightened your hair and then you're like sweating while you're straightening your hair? And then you got to re-straighten your hair because you were sweating while you were straightening it, but it's hot? Literally me. I just know when it's warm and humid, unless I find like a type of spray or something that can make my hair not frizz up, then back to braids it is. Honestly, my hair is natural, so I don't think there really is a spray out there. I mean, I know people advertise, oh, this will, your hair is not going to frizz with this and all this other stuff, but nah. I'm getting so much better with my edges. That's cute. Okay. I really like to brush my hair in so I can like see. All right. Here's the other side. And some people in the comments of the videos that I was coming across with this wig, they were saying that like they give the influencers the good hair, and when you order it yourself, you're getting like whatever they normally sell. But this is, I don't know if it's different from TikTok, because I did get it off Amazon, and it's definitely not in the same bag at all. Like I showed before, like this is what it came in. So I mean, it does say Mamusho on the barcode right here. So not quite sure if it's the exact same hair, but I like it. Honestly, it's cute. I don't think I'm gonna take it back. I feel like this is definitely a good wig to go out in. Definitely gonna wear this for Valentine's Day. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but yeah, I feel like it's cute. Will I be wearing it all the time? No, just because it's about to be warm, probably like the next month or so. But I think I'm gonna wear it a few times this month. So, but she's cute. She's cute. Is it giving helmet? I don't think it's giving helmet. I like this straight, but not super straight. It's body weight, so I kind of like how it already is. Do I think it's 26 inches? No. This can't be 26 inches, because the one I got is 20, I think it's like 20, 21, maybe 22, and it comes like right here. Okay, so maybe it is 26 inches. I thought it was gonna be like down here, but it's okay. But yeah, nobody sent me this wig, so this is what you would literally get if you ordered it off of Amazon. So so that's it for this vlog. I gotta go. I am rushing, but overall I give this wig a 8 out of 10, only because it could be a little bit more snug. Okay, pause really quick. I noticed if you actually pull the drawstring and then tie it in a knot, it makes the wig a lot more snug, like 10 times more snug. It does have some straps and stuff in the back. One of them I didn't really use, so maybe I should try that next time. But yeah, Amazon, $140, 26 inches. I feel like it's cute. You know what I'm saying? Easy to put on, easy to take off, and you're not leaving a lot of your hair out either. So, but yeah, that's the end of the vlog or end of the video. So I will see you guys in the next video.